Oh hey there! Today we're diving into a common problem that many developers encounter when working with self-referencing structs in C. The issue arises when trying to define a struct with a pointer to the property of the same type. Tricky, right? But worry not, because we got a neat solution for you. Alright, let's talk about the solution. So, one way to tackle this problem is by defining the struct using a forward declaration of the structs tag within the typedef itself. This ensures that the struct can refer to itself without any compilation errors. Pretty cool, huh? Take a look at the snippet. Typedef struct node in data. Struct node * next. Node. This struct, named node, contains an integer data field and a pointer to another node struct named next. Neat and effective. Now, let's delve a bit deeper into another approach to address the same issue. In this alternative solution, we first declare a typedef for the struct, then define the struct separately. Like this. Typedef struct node node. Struct node int data. Node * next. Here, we define the struct node after declaring the typedef, allowing the node pointer to refer to the node struct without any hiccups. It's a slightly different way of achieving the same goal, which is pretty awesome, don't you think? To sum it all up, we've explored two solid methods for resolving the self-referencing struct problem in C. Whether you opt for combining the typedef and struct definition or separating them, both approaches are valid and commonly used in the programming world. So, next time you encounter a similar issue, remember these handy techniques. Alright folks, that's it for today's video. Make sure to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below with your thoughts or any coding challenges you'd like to see us tackle next time. See you in the next one.